Hi, hello, good wishes to everyone. I feel pleasure to see you in this session. See, in this session, we just make a note on that is dependent class. Yes, we just make a look on dependent class. Yes, so in this session, we are going to study about dependent class. So what does mean by dependent class? What does mean by class first? See, class, it contains both, that is subject and verb combination. Yes, so without subject and verb, it never perform. Yes, so that is the class. And here dependent class, so it always depends on independent class or any other thing. So it is in need always, it expecting always, it expecting anything always. Yes, so it needs some favor from others to satisfy a sentence. Yes, to give a complete meaning for entire sentence. So anyhow, it needs some help to perform its perfection. Yes, that's it. That is about the dependent class. See here, it is shows with the subject verb combination. Then, but it never gives the complete thoughts for an entire sentence. Next, it always depends on something. Yes, I told you that it always depends on independent class. So anyhow, it is in depending yes manner, right? Next, see, let's see the types. It contains three types. What are the types we are having in dependent class? That is noun class, adverb class, adjective class. Yes, what are the three types? Noun class, adverb class, adjective class. Yes, in the previous two part we have learnt about the noun class and adjective class. Here in this session we just make a look on adverb class. Yes, so we are going to learn about what is adverb class. So what does mean by adverb first? Adverb. So giving additional information about verb, because verb is the action word, you know that. Yes, what are all the actions given by our body, that is named as what? Verb. Yes, so action words are named as what? Verb. Adverb, that is adding information, giving information about verb, that is the adverb. Yes, it describes a verb always, that is adverb. Here, adverb class, we are going to see about adverb class, right? See here, it is also containing the subject plus verb combination. Yes, so it is also providing the subject plus verb combination, and it always modifies, that is adverb class is always modifies with the verb, adjective or adverb. Yes, so with these three it is modifying. Yes, it is modifying with these three, that is verb, adjective or adverb. Yes, see here, let's see one example. They rested. They rested when the evening came. Yes. So they rested when the evening came. Yes. So look at the sentence, students. They rested when the evening came. Right? See here. See, they rested. Leave it that. See, when the evening came. Here, evening is acting as a subject, and came, you know that it is a past tense of come. Yes. So anyhow, it is an action word. So verb. Right? So evening is a subject and came is a verb. Here, what does the difference means? See, while saying in the adjective class, see here, verb will come friends, that is before. Yes, see here, verb is acting after this word, that is after the subject. Yes, so that is the difference. See, evening as a subject, acting as a subject here, and came, verb. Yes, but in adjective, we just see, I just remember that is broken. Broken handle. So we just see, we have seen that in adjective class. Broken handle. Here broken is a verb, right? And handle is a subject, right? So can you able to remember that? So broken is a verb and handle is a subject. See the difference between both here. Verb is this is an adjective clause. See, this is the adjective clause, right? So this is the adjective clause, right? So here in adjective clause, see, verb is acting before. Yes, subject is acting after the verb, right? And here, that is in adverb clause. See here, subject is acting before the verb, right? And verb is acting after the subject. Yes, so that is the difference. But anyhow, it is always gives the complete meaning. Yes, but without applying some words before these things, it won't be perform a complete, that is perfect sentence. It can't be perform a complete sentence. Yes, with the complete meaning, right? See here, after applying these words only, it is giving a complete meaning for an entire sentence. See, they rested when the evening came. I just remove this word, remove these words. We just read it. When the evening came. Is it right? Is it a proper sentence? Yes. It is giving any complete meaning? No. So absolutely not. Yes. So after applying these two words only, the sentence getting complete meaning. Yes. So they rested when the evening came. Here, evening, the subject is coming before the verb, and came, verb. It is coming, that is performing after the subject. So that is the difference between both adjective clause and adverb clause. Yes. So only one difference is there, right? So that's it, student. See, this is the concept of, that is adverb clause. So that's it. So we have learnt about 3 types of dependent clause. Yes. So that's it, students. Just go through it. Yes. So thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.